The police officers raised their guns and ordered him to surrender. The owner smiled and said, "Well done, you figured it out sooner than I expected." Then he revealed a human skull from behind him and cast a magic spell. The skull's eyes glowed red, and the cat monster magically appeared before him. Red smoke emanated from the skull's eyes, creating a protective shield around the hotel, preventing the police officers from entering or shooting inside. The cat monster attacked the police officers with its knife, and their attempts to shoot it were futile. The cat monster injured some officers, even stabbing one in the chest. A blue light emerged from the injured officer's body, and his skin turned white like the other victims. The blue light entered the owner of the hotel's chest, and he smiled. James and the other officers tried various tactics, including using guns and nets, to stop the cat monster, but nothing seemed to work. The cat monster's strength was overwhelming. However, as the sun rose, the cat monster began to retreat. The officers hoped it would hide, giving them a chance to capture the hotel owner. Unfortunately, the owner cast another spell, creating a skull-shaped cloud in the sky. Thick clouds covered the sky, darkness fell, and a dense mist surrounded the village once again.